Hi there, awesome viewers. I'm Annie, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to today's exciting game. Guess the apple recipe. If apples make your heart happy like they do mine, you're in for a treat. Here's how we play. I'll share 3 juicy hints about a recipe, and your job is to figure out what it is. Think you can crack them all? Let's put your apple expertise to the test. Get ready to have some fun, and let's jump right into the tasty world of apples. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here's a drink recipe. Think about fall and cozy evenings. Hint 1. It's made from freshly crushed apples. Hint 2. It's popular during the autumn season. Hint 3. You can enjoy it hot or cold. Think carefully. Are you confident about your guess? Alright, the moment of truth is here. The correct answer is apple cider. A perfect fall drink to keep you warm. How many of you got it right? Give yourself a pat on the back if you did. Time for something healthy and refreshing. Hint 1. It's a salad made with apples, celery, and nuts. Hint 2. It's mixed with a creamy mayonnaise dressing. Hint 3. This dish was created in a New York hotel in the 1890s. Hints are done. Do you have the answer in mind? Hold on to your guess, because here it comes. The correct answer is Waldorf salad. A classy and healthy dish. Did you guess it, or was it a tricky one? Here's a crispy snack. Can you guess? Hint 1. It's made by thinly slicing apples and baking or dehydrating them. Hint 2. It's crunchy and sweet, perfect as a healthy snack. Hint 3. It's often seasoned with cinnamon. Alright, it's decision time. Lock in your final answer. Is it what you think? Let's find out together. The answer is apple chips. A guilt-free treat for snacking. How many of you guessed it correctly? Let me know. That's all for today's Guess the Apple Recipe game. How many did you guess correctly? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our fun and exciting games. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.